Hey, welcome back to the Fix It Show. We got a customer's bike in here that needs some attention. It says backfiring on deceleration. So there's a couple things we want to check. We want to check that the header pipe is tight and no cracks in the header pipe up at the motor. I did notice the throttle is kind of sticking and sticky, so we'll look at the carburetor and the pilot jet. Also the hot start lever, you want to make sure that that's closing all the way. So there's a few things we can check out for that issue, but I just took the seat off and noticed this air cleaner is shot. So we're going to obviously, doesn't look like there was dirt getting in the motor yet, but if the dirt or dust gets into a four-stroke, it really is hard on the intake valves, and mostly on these Hondas the left intake valve. I had a little issue with that, so we're going to throw that in the old dumpster where the Suzuki was going, and then we're going to get a new one or find another good one, wash it up and re-oil it, grease it, start with getting that back in the bike, and then we'll take some other things apart and see what we can fix it. Putting some more oil on the air filter until we're really saturated. You want a nice sticky oil filter oil that catches all the dirt real well and stays on the filter. Okay, we're well oiled. Now you're going to grab your inner cage that holds the filter in its shape. Get that center hole lined up. Bring it around and over, like so. Then there's a little hole. We want to get the little tab that you want to get lined up with your filter, like so. So it really holds it in place. And then we're going to get some same red grease that we used on the bearings. So you want to make a real airtight seal with grease all around this edge where it seals against your front of your airbox. So you can have a nice layer of good quality waterproof grease around there. So it makes a nice tight seal. That keeps your engine happy, mostly on a four-stroke. Then we're going to take this bike out and test it, because I mentioned earlier it was backfiring. That's the whole reason it came in here, on deceleration. So I also adjusted the air fuel mixture screw, which is at the bottom of the carburetor. Oops. Down here underneath. Takes a real small flathead screwdriver. Usually bottom it out and then turn it out about a 1.5 turns. Start with that. This one was actually at a 1.25 turn out. It was too lean. Okay, now that we've got this greased up real well, we're going to drop it down into the air box. I usually do it without the screw on. Get it lined up where it's happy. That little arrow is supposed to be up. Center your center out, and I can get your nut in, your bolt in. Get your center hole and tighten it up. Okay, nothing like a nice fresh air cleaner. We'll put the bolts on, make sure I double check everything, and go test it. No leftover parts. That's a good thing. Wow, nice tune-up. This thing is running great. I can't believe the air filter was really that bad. and all the little things that you don't service really add up. We fixed the throttle linkage, the hot start linkage. We inspected the header pipe for cracks and leaks and the gasket. And the biggest improvement was the fuel air screw. It started out at 1.25 turns out, and we put it at 2 turns out. And wow, this thing hauls butt. No more backfire, and it really runs strong. Starts right up real nice. Well, it's cold as heck out here and windy, and I'm out of here. I'm going back to the clubhouse, to the Fix It show, where we're going to get a nice hot chocolate and kick back. Thanks for watching.